Suppose you are arguing with your close friend, man. Small argument just started, it became a heated argument, bigger argument. You won that argument. You won that argument because justice is there from your side. You won that argument. But, but is it a win or is it a failure? Is it a win or is it a loss?
Last one is.
You almost 1 hour, very heated argument you did. At last, the people told, this person is the correct. Then you won that. Just 1 minute, you are going to get proud feeling. Yeah, I proved myself like. But the problem here is temporary winning, but permanent loss. You are going to miss one of your best friend. Winning argument is important, or losing best friend is important. Which is the real win? Yeah, dosto. A person who is going to stand with you, who is going to stay with you forever your lifetime. You are missing that person just because of a small win, temporary win. Here, your ego is going to be satisfied, but you are missing a good heart in your lifetime. I hope are you getting my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Simple, man. In your in your life partner, like with your life partner, assume that you are talking, your mother is so and so, your father is so and so, or that day you did this and so on, like that. Now, okay, you may win temporarily, but opposite person, they know he may not feel that much comfortable to communicate with you. Okay, life partner anyway in the same house, okay, well. So assume that with your friends, you may win the argument, but that person never going to communicate with you again. So in the argument, the people may win, but they may lose. It is not the real win. Remember that. So the point is the very, very simple point, sir. The point is the very simple, very simple. You can't win an argument. Real win is not there in any arguments. In any argument, you are going to lose more than your win. How beautiful.